Welcome to Linh House, your ultimate destination for home design inspiration. We're passionate about helping you create your dream home. From the grand exterior to the cozy interior, our channel offers a wealth of ideas, tips, and tutorials to guide you through every step of the design process. Whether you're building a new home or renovating an existing one, we've got you covered. Join us as we explore various architectural styles, interior design trends, and practical DIY projects to transform your house into a home you'll love. Nestled atop a lofty mountain peak, a modern black house stands as a stark yet elegant testament to contemporary architecture's harmonious coexistence with the natural world. Its obsidian exterior, a stark contrast against the verdant landscape, is a bold statement of architectural intent. The house's design is a masterful balance of geometric precision and organic integration, creating a dwelling that is both imposing and inviting. The house's foundation, constructed of natural stone, provides a sense of permanence and grounding, anchoring the structure to the earth. The tiled roof, a traditional element that complements the house's modern aesthetic, adds a touch of warmth and character. The wooden floor in front of the house, a tactile counterpoint to the sleek black exterior, invites barefoot walks and connects the inhabitants with the natural world. The infinity pool, a shimmering ribbon of water that appears to merge seamlessly with the horizon, is a striking feature of the house. Its design is a testament to the power of illusion, creating a sense of boundless space and connection to the sky. The pool's reflective surface captures the ever-changing hues of the mountains and the clouds, adding a dynamic element to the landscape. The house's placement on the mountainside offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding valleys and peaks. The abundance of trees, their lush green foliage providing a soft counterpoint to the house's dark exterior, further enhances the sense of isolation and connection to nature. The interior of the modern black house is a harmonious blend of contemporary aesthetics and natural warmth. The living room features floor-to-ceiling windows that offer panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valley. A sleek black fireplace provides a cozy focal point, while plush, dark-colored sofas invite relaxation. The kitchen is a sleek, modern space with black cabinetry and high-end appliances. The bedrooms are serene retreats, featuring comfortable beds, soft lighting, and calming color palettes. The bathrooms offer luxurious amenities such as soaking tubs and rain showers. Throughout the house, the wooden floors provide a warm and inviting touch, while the abundant natural light creates a bright and airy atmosphere. In conclusion, the modern black house on the mountainside is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly integrates with its natural surroundings. Its design is a bold statement of architectural intent, a testament to the power of minimalist aesthetics, and a celebration of the beauty of the natural world. The house's elevated position, the infinity pool, and the ethereal presence of the clouds combine to create a truly unforgettable experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.